Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to sign up for QuillBot. Creating an account allows you to access all the new features QuillBot offers, enhancing your writing and research experience. So let's get started. Start by opening the QuillBot app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Login. Then tap on Don't have an account to sign up. Type in a valid email address. Now type in your password. Lastly, type in your name. Tap on the checkbox if you don't want to receive marketing emails. Finally, tap on Continue to complete your sign up process. And that's how you can sign up for QuillBot. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.